Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a medium mullet. First, ensure your hair is clean and damp. This makes it much easier to work with and helps achieve precise lines. Next, we'll divide your hair into 4 key sections: the top, the 2 sides, and the back. Using hair clips to secure each part is crucial for maintaining control and preventing accidental cuts as you progress through the haircut. Now let's shape the sides. Using clippers with a number 3 or 4 guard, start at the bottom and work your way up, creating a smooth fade. For the top section, employ the clipper over finger technique, cutting to your desired length. Remember, the top should be a bit shorter than the back to maintain that classic mullet contrast and a modern aesthetic. Next, we'll define the distinctive back section, allowing it to remain longer for that iconic mullet length. To refine the shape and add movement, use point cutting or thinning shears to remove any excess bulk. The key here is to blend the transitions between the top, sides, and back smoothly, ensuring there are no harsh lines and the haircut flows naturally. Finally, let's style your new medium mullet. Start by applying a sea salt spray to damp hair. This will enhance texture and add volume. For the front and top, use a small amount of pomade or a light hold gel to define your desired shape. Blow dry the top for extra lift, then simply finger comb the back to achieve a relaxed, effortless finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.